Welcome back. Today we are diving into including the Intel Core i7-14700 processor, Leadtek RTX 4070 Super Graphics Card and Cooler Master MWE 751 Gold Power Supply. Get ready to witness the magic of assembling the ultimate PC setup. The Intel Core i7-14700 processor is known for its speed and performance, ideal for gaming and professional applications. It features 8 performance cores and 12 efficient cores with a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz and a max turbo boost of 5 GHz, priced at $400. It also supports Intel Turbo Boost technology, hyper-threading, and AI acceleration. The Leadtek RTX 4070 Super Graphics Card, priced at $600, offers an array of impressive features including 5800 and 88 CUDA core. The Cooler Master MWE 750 Gold Power Supply, which gives reliable and efficient power of keep your system running smoothly. It's 80 plus gold certified for high energy efficiency and lower heat output, priced at $100. Absolutely. Remember the Cooler Master Liquid 240L liquid cooler, priced at $120. This Cooler Master a dual chamber pump design, dual 120 mm fan speeds of 650 to 2000 RPM and a noise level of 6 to 30 dBA. It offers superior cooling performance and supports all major CPU sockets. The MSI MEG B760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 motherboard is a beast for gamers and enthusiasts, priced at $200. It supports up to 128 GB DDR4 memory at 4800 MHz. You also get USB 3.2 Z 2x2, USB 3.2 Z1, USB 3.2 and USB 2.0. This board is perfect for high-end builds. Dive into the world of RGB with the J-Skill Trident Z 16GB 3200 MHz RAM, known for its reliability, speed and vibrant RGB lighting, priced at $80. Fully customizable RGB lighting with support for major motherboard RGB software. The Trident Z series offers excellent gaming and multitasking performance while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your PC build. The Dark Flash DK401 EATX full mesh white PC case is priced at $70. It supports EATX, ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards and features a full mesh front panel for optimal airflow. It has 7 expansion slots, 2 3.5 hard disk bay, 2 2.5 SSD bay and supports up to 6 120mm fan. Additionally, it offers the spacious interior, allows for easy component installation and cable management, while its modern design ensures a stylish build with top-tier performance.